I've never walked into an enterprise where they said they didn't have at least a small pocket of Spring. Most of the times it's huge. Most of the times it's in mission critical apps. It's transforming people's lives. Sometimes I call them the boring applications. These are not the applications that somebody has just written a brand new stack. These are applications that are powering the heart of your business.
A huge percentage of apps are written in Java, and many of them use the Spring framework, especially Spring Boot. My teammate Josh talked with Purnima back at Explore 2025. She laid out the platform, the stack, the platform as a service we've been working on at Tanzu that supports Java and Spring applications, and other application types, of course. And it has all those things you need for those boring applications that are running our lives.
And you want to inject AI into that. And that is where Spring again comes in with Spring AI and helps you inject AI into the applications where they sit today. And that's why I love it. So if you think about it, we have all the pieces of the puzzle. So Spring, with its open source background, with all the investment we are doing in Spring AI, is just fueling innovation in enterprise apps. But then with the platform, we are also connecting Spring into things like coding assistant so that the coding assistant behave well. Yeah. They are producing code that with guardrails, right? So we're teaching the coding assistants. And then once the code is produced, we have the platform to just do a single push and out to production with the governance, with the security, with the scalability. I think I heard a stat, some astonishing percentage, 48 or 50% of the AI projects don't make it to production, don't see the light of today. So and this is not, any fancy multi-agent projects. I'm talking about even simple projects, because people are worried about, when I deploy, will it behave? Is it going to hallucinate? How do I test it? Is it going to use the right model? Can somebody trick the model with some prompts? Do I know the provenance of the code that's being used? Are the right people using it? Is the right data being fed? And when you have an app platform and a data platform that can anchor it and just inherently understand the language of coding, which is Spring, and just do it by magic, that speeds up the use of AI within the organization.
Now that's the programming and runtime layer. A PaaS like the Tanzu Platform is a lot more than just that. It also has all the services that an application needs, like data.
Do you think really you can build powerful AI-based apps without data?
No, of course not. That's a trick question.
Yeah, so of course, we talked a lot about business logic and application running, but what we have done is now with Tanzu Platform, we've also got Tanzu Data Intelligence.
Yeah.
And these same Spring solutions can reach out into Tanzu Data Intelligence and create a data pipeline, cleanse that data so that it can cache that data, put it in a warehouse for archiving, vectorize that data on the fly so that I can do fast inferencing.
Right. And
so
RAG.
imagine and RAG, of course, you're constantly, creating that context window. Yeah. So with the trio now, you really can run very fast.
Those two say a lot more in that interview if you're interested. And of course, if you're interested in getting your apps moving very fast, you should check out the Tanzu Platform. Not only does it have all of the services and the deep support for Spring and Java, as well as other languages and frameworks, but it also has embedded AI services that are ready to go and use, from hosting your own model, that'll give you all that tasty enterprise stuff you need to not only run your apps, but also support all sorts of AI services, whether it's private cloud or public cloud. You can get a 90-day trial of it if you go to trytanzu.ai. It'll give you instructions about how to get it started up, but also figure out how to do the strategy in a large organization to not only get a PaaS, but to get an AI platform in place. So go to trytanzu.ai and try it out for 90 days.